Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how do you switch your Google Chrome account or basically a Google account on Google Chrome. So it's quite easy. First of all, on the top right you see those three dots. Right next to that there should be this dialog box that says person 1. Usually it could be guest or it would say sign in to Google Chrome. So I'm just gonna quickly log out of here, I guess. Wait. Okay, I don't know where to log out actually, but there should be a login button there, or rather, let's press add. So yeah, this is actually what it looks like. So you can always press sign in or create continue without an account. So without an account you can just continue using Chrome anonymously. So like some websites that use Google Chrome, you won't be logged in there. For example, your YouTube won't be customized, and it would be customized with respect to where you live. And if you sign in, all the apps, all the websites you visit would be personalized according to your Google account. So I can press sign in, and it will take me to the login page, and thereon I can log in my Chrome account. But but if you want to switch between accounts, let's suppose just now I pressed add an account, I add another account. Now once I have multiple accounts added, I can always press another account, and it will, I can have two sessions. Now see, the new tab page looks different on both ends. So now this account will have its own browsing history, this one will have its own, and I can actually use both of these separately. So like the sessions won't interfere with each other. So like I can open a YouTube of my own account here and the other one here, and they won't interfere. So that is pretty much all you needed to know about how to switch between your Google accounts. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.